Hello everybody, in this video I will talk about a Python code which is used to check if a given number is a prime or not. Prime number is that number which is divisible by only two numbers, and those two numbers are 1 and that number itself. If you want to know if a given number n is prime or not, what we have to do is we have to divide that given number n by all the numbers starting from 2 to n minus 1. And if none of the numbers between 1 and n divides n perfectly, then we can say n is prime, otherwise n is not prime. Here divide perfectly means if given number is divided by some other number and we get remainder 0, then that is perfect division. If the remainder is not 0, then it is not perfect division. Okay, dividing given number by all numbers 2 to n minus 1 will be very time consuming if the value of n is very big. If the value of n is billions or trillions, of it is of millions of digit, then in that case how many numbers we have to use to divide that number? What number we have taken, almost that number of times we have to make a division. So that is very time consuming process. So what we can do is, instead of dividing that number by all the numbers starting from starting from 2 to n minus 1, we can take the square root of given number and we can divide that given number by all the numbers including 2 to square root of that number. Okay, let's suppose if the n is 100, then we'll take the square root of 100, that is 10, and we'll check if n is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, only up to 10. Okay, here we are reducing the number of iteration, number of divisions. Okay, using the concept of square root, we can improve the efficiency in checking prime number. Here now I will be writing a simple code. Let's see. For that I will be importing math module, math. Now define method, check prime, n be the parameter, integer. Then okay, if n is 2 or 3, by default they are primes. Okay, print n is prime, simple. Okay, if n is even number, if n is even, then it is not prime. Print n is not prime, simple. Okay, now if n is 2 or 3, it is prime. If n is even, it is not prime. If n is odd number and it is not 3, then we have to check whether it is divisible by 2 to square root of that number or not. So here I will be writing the while loop. So I have to declare some variables. Int initially, that is true. Let's define one bool variable, set it as a false. Now I will write the while loop here, else while I is less than or equal to int math.sqrt. This math.square root will get the square root of given number, and we are converting that number to integer. Whatever number we get as the square root is casted to integer. Now check if this n is divisible by I, then it is not prime. Okay, I'll copy this. N is not prime, then what we have to do is I have to set the flag as true. Here also I have to set flag as true. If it is even number, flag has to be true. It is not prime. If that number n is divisible by n2, if n is divided by any one number between 2 to including 2 to square root of n, then it is again not prime. So we have to set this flag as true, and we have to break the loop. Then we have to increment the counter by 1. Okay, here why we are breaking the loop here is, if n is divided by 2, then we don't have to divide that number by remaining numbers 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have to break the loop. As we find this condition true, then we do not have to divide n by remaining numbers. Now we have to check here. If flag is false, then print n is prime. Simple. Okay, the value of flag will be true only two conditions are satisfied: if it is even or if this condition meets. So if these two conditions are not met, then flag will remain false because it is initialized with false. Now let's call this function here check prime. Let's 23. Okay, now let's run this. Now 23 is prime. Now let's write 3 only. Let's apply 3 to check prime method. 3 is also prime. It is coming 2 times because initially this condition is true. Okay, this is condition true. This is showing n is prime. This is also true because this flag is false. So this is also displayed. Okay, we can check another number 31. Now we can see 31 is prime. So using the concept of this square root, we can reduce the number of comparisons or number of checking. So this improves the concept or algorithm of prime number. Okay, so in this way, using the concept of square root, we can improve the method of checking whether given number is prime or not. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.